Hey, what's up, guys? This is Derek, or Super Red 51. We are doing the Apple Watch, the Nike Apple Watch Series 6 box opening. As you can see right there, Series 6, space gray aluminum case, the Anthracite black Nike sports band, 44mm. What's included is the Apple Watch band and charging cable. Power adapters sold separately, not all capabilities are available, yada yada yada. Yeah, kind of all the stuff right there. And so that's what this is right here. Obviously, Apple always is pretty good at what they do. They come with packaging, comes with an easy, just nice peel back. Just pop those back as well. And boom. So this is the case. This is actually engraved on it, so it's not like a little, writing is actually kind of like stitched out, nice and smooth. So right here, I'm gonna figure out how to open this up for you guys. So, okay, so right here, so you just pull that back, boom, peel this back right here, boom. 1, 2. So this is what it's going to look like. Nice display, very colorful, very appealing. Right there as well, just all the different versions. You have the face, and this is actually a touch. So like you touch it, you can feel it. And it's actually, and then it's 2 different boxes. So we're gonna do this right here. So the top box is gonna be the face. The second box is gonna be the band. Let's go ahead and flip this up. Yeah, so right here. Yep, so we're just gonna open up. Place you guys down real quick. Right there. So this is what it looks like as soon as you peel it off right here. It just literally just falls off. So you're gonna have the actual watch right there, the display. This right here, designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. So this right here is just gonna have all the different, okay, so right here, yes, what's in here is just all the little paper, kind of stuff, safety and handling, open your band box, yada yada yada, all the fun stuff. Then right here, you're gonna have your charger cord. Right there. This, if I'm not mistaken, is is magnetically attached, so you don't actually have to plug anything in. I'm trying to stick it back in. That's what she said. Then right here, right here. So this is the actual face. This is where you're actually going to tap it right. So if you look, boom, it actually sits right on top of there. It's actually magnet in action. But we're gonna go ahead and get this off. I don't know how to get this off. Let's set this somewhere that you guys can see. Look at the copy. That's what we're doing with the background. Perfect. So, this is what we're working with. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it, but that's how I'm doing it. Okay, so it is. Okay, so this is just cardboard. Peels right off. So this is actually what it's looking right here. You guys see that? Perfect. So this is the face. And this is the space gray. This is the space gray right here. Nice, smooth finish all the way around. If you look, you're gonna have that nice engraved Nike aluminum 44mm all the way around. I'm gonna place that right here. Next, we're gonna bring in the band. So this one right here is what it looks like. Watch Nike Sports Band Space Black stainless steel pin. Where's That's kind of all it says. And right here, once again, Nike comes with the clutch peel. Just nice and simple. And then just pull it open. And once again, it comes with that engraved kind of finish on the top. Instructions again, we don't really need those, but it comes with that nice engraved finish. Open it up, it's going to tell you all the instructions, so you don't have all these extra papers or anything like that. It shows you exactly what you need to do. You open it up, you have 2 separate bands. Yeah, so you have 2 separate bands. Oh, okay, so look, this is what it means. Okay, so if you have a smaller wrist, bam, like small to medium wrist. You get a large to medium or medium to large wrist, bam. So it comes with those different sizes. Just makes it super easy to fit. So let's go ahead and try to get this to, let's try to get this going. I'll make sure that y'all can see this. Very nice, big Keurig in the back. It's gonna be so. I'm gonna go ahead and stick with the small wrist because I'm skinny as fruit. Boom, and it's nice, smooth. I'm just gonna actually say right here. There's a little small, medium, so it shows the size. You can see which is top and bottom. And then we're gonna go ahead and pull this out right here. Actually, I might need the larger size. I don't know. We'll find out in a second. But let's go ahead and attach it. So we have this right here. So we're just gonna follow the instructions. Let's see, so this is gonna be, just gonna go and slide that. Slide it in. Somehow, okay, so you go like this, go on this side, and you, right, maybe it's this one, slide it in, oh, it's, okay, so that's being a little, okay, gotcha, so just to help out, there's these little slots right here, and in there, there's also another slot, so, that's how it's supposed to fit. So you go like this, and so there you go. So it's in now. Boom. So it's in. Then you do it on the other side as well. Slot down. Boom, it's in. You can go and remove this right here. Look at the nice little logo, Nike, Apple Watch. Oh shoot, y'all didn't hear that. And let's just see if we can get it on. Sweet, so it's on right there. And we go and do this. It will either turn on or it might be dead. That's one of the other things. So we just gotta figure out what. Let's see, how do I turn on open your band box, follow the steps to attach yes, put on the Apple Watch, press and hold the side button to turn it on. Okay, so this button right here, we're gonna hold it. Right now it's not working because it's dead. Awesome, which means we have to charge it. But that is going to be it though. That is the Apple Series 6 Space Gray Aluminum with the black band. The Anthracite black band, but that is going to be it right there. If you guys want to see more when it's on, drop the like, subscribe. Otherwise, peace.